Morning student, my name is Anand Vijay. Today in this video lecture we start the new chapter, that is chapter 6, more on Python. Student, this is the complete practical oriented chapter, and you have already know about the Python. Python is the programming language that is developed by the John Guido Rossen. It is very interactive language because you can use the simple English word as a command and do the operation onto the Python. Python are working have two kinds of mode. One is interactive mode, second one is the script mode. In interactive mode, it provide the command prompt. According to on the command prompt, you have just typed the command, and after that you press the enter key and you got the resultant output. Whereas the script mode, you have typed the command, then you save it. After that, you have executed it, and then you got the output. In this chapter, you have already know about the declare height, how to initialize the variable. You have already know what is the variable. Variable is the storage area that store the particular value according to their type. Whatever you have variable name assigned and whatever you have give the value, particular data type can be assigned into the variable. Suppose you have defined a variable A and you have assigned the numeric value. In that case, it contains the numeric kind of data type. Suppose you have defined a variable A again and you have defined the string kinds of value, that means characters or a letters kinds of value, then its data type is string. So it is very easy process to assign the variable and their value. Now in this chapter you have find out the operators. Operators is what? Operators are the symbolic representation that perform the logical operation onto the operand. What are the operands? Operands are the simple value. Whatever the value you have assigned inside the variable, that is called operand. Operands are operated by the operator. There are different kinds of operator. First one you have find out the arithmetic operator. You have already know about the plus, minus, multiply, division. Plus represent the addition operator, minus represents the subtraction operator, multiplication represents the division of multiplication. The star mark is here used, that represents the multiplication operator, and slash represents the division operator. Each operator work particular kind of task. For example, if you provide the plus operator, it add two value. If you provide the minus operator, that means subtraction, it minus the value. If you provide the multiplication operator, it multiplies the product of the value, and finally divide the value. You have find out there are the in this figure. You have find out one side there is the list of operators. You have addition operator to obtain the sum of the values 13 plus 3. Suppose there is the value, first value is 13, second value is 3.5. The whole output is 16.5. In the subtraction, there the value is subtracted from 45 to 35. The output is 3. In the multiplication, it product of the data, the value like 6.2 is multiplied by 6. The output is 37.2. In division, there are two kinds of division. One is used for the single slash, another used for double slash. Double slash is called float division. To divide the number and give the output in the decimal form. If you use the single slash as a division, it provides the output in the decimal form. For example, 5 divided by 2, it got the 2.5. Minus 5 divided by 2, it got the minus 2.5. And 10.0 divided by 3, it got the 3.333. So you have find out there are the decimal position included when you use the single slash as a division. When you use double slash as a division, it is called floor division. You have find out 5 double slash by 5 double slash then 2. The output is only 2. Minus 5 double slash 2. The output is minus 3. Here the only integer. Integer kind of value is it ignores the floating point. That means it ignores the decimal part. Next one is the remainder. For remainder, it is used percent sign. Remainder, to find the remainder when one value is divided by the other. 3 mod, it is also called mod. 2, the output 3 mod 2, the remainder output is 1. 10 mod 6, the remainder output is 4. 6 mod 10, the remainder output is 6. Why it is 6 mod? Because the first value is smaller than second value. So always it represents or returns the first value. Last one is the double star mark. It represents the exponential to calculate the power of the number. Suppose 2 exponent 3, that means 2 is multiplied by 3 times, 2 raised to the power 3, and its output is 8. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, remainder, exponential, all are related with the arithmetical operators. I think this is the first theoretical kind of things. In the next video lecture, we have discussed the practical of all the arithmetic operators. Thank you and have a good day.